Hey guys, so if you are the MSI G2412 and looking for the best settings, this is something that you can try. I just found this. So game mode, premium color, night vision off, response time normal, adaptive sync on, MRPT off, image enhancement off, brightness 20, contrast 50, sharpness 0, color temperature normal. I would go with your brightness even like higher, so like 70 to 80. Like brightness you need to know based on your room, how you have the lights and everything. So for example, for my brightness, I have brightness not that high. I got it around 50. Like 100 brightness was like too bright for me. Now, when I'm going to also right here, I just want to show you something. And when you come here to the MSI review for the ratings, and you're gonna write ICC, you're gonna have the profile here. So what I recommend to do is also download and use the profile. To use it, what you have to do is you're gonna have advanced display settings, display adapter, color management, and here you are going to find the option to have an ICC profile and add it. So this is something that you can do, and I definitely recommend like to also calibrate the ICC profile, and it's going to be even better. So thank you very much and have a great day and goodbye.